Happy Wollaston Wednesday, everybody. This is Alex Chicola. This is Big J Dog. We just did a preliminary walkthrough with our electrician and our kitchen designer, and we basically just laid out what the building is going to look like once it's complete. Now that Jerry has done all of this fabulous framing. Jerry, what are we going to do with our kitchen?
I have no clue. I didn't listen to him.
Yeah.
So over here we got the stackable washers and dryers. We got the middle sink here, 30-inch vanity. It's going to be going right here, and then the 36-inch. No, that's a dishwasher. Dishwasher's going here, corner cabinet. The 36-inch cabinet, another 15-inch cabinet on this corner. We'll have a refrigerator. My favorite part of the house is.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big island here with a slide-in range, and then we're gonna have a nice step up so you can dine at the kitchen. So over here, you guys remember we removed that load-bearing wall and installed this LVL. This will now be your open concept living, dining. It's a very flexible space depending on how the new owners want to use it. Bedroom number 3. New framed bathroom, bedroom number 2. And now what we did is we capitalized on what was originally a very oversized linen closet. We've now turned that into the master bathroom. So right now, we're standing in a very generous sized master bedroom. And then right here, the layout's not decided just yet. We're gonna go through a couple options. We'll share those with you when we're done, but this will be a huge oversized master bathroom. This will make this a very luxurious space for the new home.